welcome back my darlings, welcome to the back of the van and welcome to a product test and review. Now on Instagram and Facebook a lot recently I've seen these things being recommended when people have said, oh, what do you use to clean your dash and the plastics? And they're kind of like microfiber scrubbing pads. You've got quite a long open fibrous texture on this side and then a closed traditional microfiber weave on this side. And really, people seem to be using this where I would have been going about it using a boar's hair brush. This is a Valet Pro large sash brush. And then you've been using it around like the door sills and on the dash and backs of seats and stuff. Now, I'm not sure if this could be better, but I thought it's worth testing, because anything that gives you the same results but gets you there quicker is well worth it. If it be professional or for a hobbyist, you want to get good results with as little effort as possible. That's why there's tons of different products on the market, right? That's why we do, why we buy so many different things, because they make an individual task easier or get better results. So the test is going to be on a door sill that's pretty heavily ingrained. We do half with the boar's hair brush and some Little Hamper Surfex HD at about 15 to 1. Well, no, it's about 15%. No, it's not. It's not even that. It's 5%. Sorry, 5%. And then I'm going to wipe it away with a microfiber cloth, and then I will go and do the other side, wipe it away with a microfiber cloth, and just compare the results. So yeah, we can get you set up. You're going to be overhead while I'm working. Hopefully my sweaty bonce will be out of the way and it'll make a good video. Anyway, let's see what the results are like. I'll catch up with you then. Now I'm just going to put a quick freeze frame in up here so you can see, but I think it's pretty clear to me on the right hand side it is cleaner than the left hand side. It wasn't actually particularly visible in the shot, but you could tell back then, and feel free to go back if you want to, that the right hand side was cleaner, and it was definitely quicker to get to that point. Now it was really hot today, about 30 degrees, and the camera overheated, so I couldn't shoot any more then. So I've come back and I'm doing the steering wheel in my car today. This is with Koch Chemie Polestar at 20 to 1, and you want to see the state of the scrub pad when it finishes doing this. You see how quick it is going round this steering wheel. Yeah, I've sped this up, but it's quick to get the results that you get. Well, then hopefully, as you could see back at the sill, that was a pretty clear win for me. The scrub pad was way easier, way quicker. I think it gave a better job, especially for the effort put into it as well. And I mean, the surface area, I went around and did the rest of the sills and the rest of the car. I got around the sills, and any trim around the bottom part of the transmission tunnel, just like where your feet are resting, bottom of the dash, that sort of stuff. Went around with that, and I got through the whole thing in between 10 and 15 minutes, and that's including wiping down as well with a damp microfiber. I then went and did the backs of the seats, which are covered in foot marks, with Koch Chemie Polestar, and again, same process. I've never done a seat that quickly and got results perfect before. So yeah, microfiber scrub pad, thoroughly recommend that to the house. They really are as good as they seem, and they're not expensive. I think they're like £3 or £4 ish, could be even less. I'm going to put links to below to all of these, so you know where to find them, both Amazon and Clean Your Car. Right, thank you very much for tuning in and watching, and I'll see you in the next one, which is probably going to be giving that car its first wash again since I did it last time. So 6 months since Flex Wax was applied. So that'll be a good catch up as well. All right, thank you very much. See you soon.